Hello there, Gemini. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne. I am here with your love, guidance, spiritual messages, May 16th to the 31st. Welcome. If you're new, like and subscribe this video. If you are returning, welcome back. So this is messages for only your love life, okay? So this is going to be focusing on two things: how you both feel about each other and how you both see each other. This is between the Gemini sun sign and whoever you're interested in love, okay? Now, this is only going to go over those two aspects. So this is not designed to find solutions or for you to make decisions based off of this that lead to permanent solutions. This is only between 2 weeks time, so keep that in mind as well. Also, I have extended videos. The extended videos is literally a continuation of this. We're going to look at different things. We're going to reveal some secrets. We're going to talk about what is going on between you and this person beneath the surface, and things that you really do need to hear for the both of you, that's going to help the both of you move forward. Okay, so it is very helpful. So get the extended video reading so that you can look deeper into everything that's going on. So let's get started. Gemini, how do you feel about this person May 16th to the 31st? I sense that you could be dealing with, on a personal level, some money woes and some problems surrounding money for some of you. This could arise. For others of you, it could be something about social media accounts going on. Maybe you're starting new accounts, or maybe you are opening new bank accounts or things like that. So it's either that some type of problem has come up and it's making you have to change something or create or start something new. But you are definitely changing things and brushing things up. You could also be brushing up your communication skills during this time, or changing the way you see other people, whether it's the way you see other people from other races. Maybe it's the way you see other people from other social classes. It's like you're starting to improve yourself because you're starting to realize that that is what you need to do in order to become a better person. Not a better person for others, a better person for you. And so I do feel like some of you are doing that. For others of you, when it comes to love, you could be feeling like you're trying to be with someone right now and you really want it to work. So for a lot of you, this is a time of you manifesting a new connection with someone new, and you're trying to leave a good impression or a better impression on this person. So that could be why you're starting to clean up your social media accounts before this person can access it, or before this person sees certain things. You want to look like a very good person in this person's eyes. For some of you, you could be tying up something that has to do with your finances before you jump into a new relationship, because you can see yourself about to start something new. So you could be wrapping up the final pieces of those projects before you get into a new relationship or before you get married. You could be thinking about this person instead of yourself now. At first, you could have been thinking about you and putting just you first, but now you're thinking about your person, putting them first, asking them what do they need? How can you be of help to them? How can you love them better? How can you look better in their eyes? Because I do get the sense of like a Beauty and the Beast kind of energy here. And it seems like this person sees you as someone who has been pretty beastly or horrible in the past. I'm just being honest with you. Or maybe you haven't been the best. And it may not be that you were just like a horrible person, but this person sees, let's say that they feel like lately you haven't been the better version of you. Okay. So you're really trying to change. You're trying to change your ways for this person, because you're sitting back and you're realizing that maybe you haven't been. And so now you could be starting to feel more connected to the person that you love or the person that you like, and you could be feeling like it's important to represent this person well, even if they're not around you. You want to be a representative for your love interest, your love partner. You want to be a good man or a good woman to this person, all right? And so that's how you're feeling. And this is genuine though, Gemini. Like, this is a side of you that you are definitely doing so that you can make this person that you love feel better. Wow. Okay. So, how does this person feel about you? This person is more talkative, will be more talkative, will be talking a lot more, will be communicating a lot more with you. They're doing this because they feel hopeful. And not only are they feeling hopeful, but they feel like a leader in the connection. They feel like they have to demonstrate to you how they want to be treated and how they feel up to this point in the connection. So they are starting to show up for you in real ways now. They could be proving their devotion to you, their love to you, their loyalty to you through different ways. Could be subtle ways or big ways, big shows of expression. But this person overall will begin to treat you with the kind of respect, love, and kindness and loyalty that they want from you. So they're giving you what they want you to give to them. You have to pay attention to the way this person's speaking to you during this time frame, the way they are communicating with you, how they are acting towards you. Pay attention to the things they are saying for your own good, because this is someone who is showing you how to love them. Because you want to love this person, you like them. You can't deny that you don't like them. You can't deny that you're interested in them. You can't deny that you think they have sex appeal or that you like their swagger. You can't deny that this person that you're interested in them. You can't deny it. It's there. You can't. And so this person hasn't been seeing the goodness in you. They don't think you have much of it in you because you show the total opposite in the past. You came across like you were just, I don't know, like your energy was totally off the wall. And so this person is like, I know that deep down inside of you, you have a heart. And that's how they look at it. And so they're like, okay, well, I'm going to show you how it's done, kind of thing. So this person's doing that. And this person's like a role model because they're showing you, they are modeling to you how the relationship should be and how things should be going in a genuine way. They want to see eye to eye with you. They want you to see eye to eye with them. They want you to treat them as your equal, your partner, and know that they are here to be your friend and that their intentions are pure about you, Gemini. That's what they want you to know. Their intentions are pure. They feel like they are your equal. They feel like they should be treated with the respect that they deserve as a woman or a man if you're dealing with a man. Now, point of view, how do you see them through your eyes? What do you see about this love interest? You are very dreamy at this time. Like the next 2 weeks, you're very dreamy when it comes to this person. You're really in a whole different mind space. This is kind of strange because in the past, you weren't so much tapped into this person like you are now. This person puts you in a different space in a very, very good way. This person's going to have you thinking hard about them because you're going to start to see visions of this person and what this person means to God. You're going to start to realize that this person is someone that you just don't play with, that you just don't test, that you just don't hurt, that you just don't do it, because this is someone who is so blessed and I feel like they're a really good person. And this person, you see them as a person who is into spirituality. They're very spiritual. A lot of you are dealing with a spiritual person, a spiritual man or woman, and you see them as a light of spiritual protection and guidance. You see them as a star. That's how you see them. Not the kind in the night sky. A star, a Hollywood star, a famous person, a celebrity. You see them as a star, and you know that they are. And so you see them in this way, not because of what they have per se, but it can be because of what they have per se. It's things that money can't buy that you see that this person has. And this is something that it's not that you want it. It's just that you see it. You acknowledge it. You know it's there. And you love this. You admire them for being this way. This person is someone who you see meditates on universal truths and secrets about the universe, about the world. This is a person who you know has higher knowledge, and that with this knowledge, you know that this person just really wants to have a better life experience, and they just want peace. They just want to love. They just want to spread love. They just want people to love, this person could help everyone win, to be honest with you. But you just have to continue to see this person in this way, okay, in order for you to get the best version of this person. You could see this person as someone who needs to withdraw their physical energy away from you or certain people, environments, and things like that in order to settle into their true self, their spiritual self. And you respect that. Like, you respect their need to do that. You respect how they operate in the world. You respect how they are. You learn a lot from this person, even though you try hard not to admit that. But you learn so much from them. And this person can be younger than you, older than you, shorter than you, taller than you. It doesn't matter. They can be black, you're white. They can be white, you're black. It does not matter. But this is someone who actually does inspire you. And you see them as a person who they're like an introvert. They're like an introvert. But you know that when this person goes within themselves and when they fall back, you know that when they come back, they're coming back very sweet for you. How does this person see you? It's like the story of Beauty and the Beast. This person doesn't really see you as like I said, as being a person who on the outside you are sweet and loving and kind and genuine. You're the total opposite of that on the outside. Like, what you show to the public, what you show to them, and what you show outwardly is the total opposite of who you are on the inside. On the inside of you, you are amazing, but you could be a monster on the outside. To everyone else, you could be a monster, to be honest with you, or you could be because like I said, this is not my personal opinion. This is like, when I do love readings, none of this is personal, because I don't know who you are, like, this is a general for anyone, but I'm just saying how this person sees things. I'm just being honest. And it doesn't mean that this person thinks you're ugly. No, I don't think so. But I think that this is more of, when you're upset, you get really upset. When you say things, you say anything. When you flip out on people, you really flash out on people. When you are, it's just sometimes you could get a little, weird with things, and that's what they see. But they know that deep down inside of you, there's like a sweet, loving person. And that's what they know. They know that this is inside of you, even though you don't know how to show it on the outside. It's like everything you do on the outside, you could ruin a lot of things. Like, you could say the wrong things to people. You could cause a lot of chaos. You could do a lot of things that they don't even understand. How could you be this way when deep down inside there's a whole heart there? You're so loving. So that's what this your love interest sees. They feel like you are someone who's going through a big lesson right now. You're learning an age-old lesson, an ancient lesson that you're learning right now. And that lesson that you're learning is about something about having strength or not having strength. They're feeling like God is working on you and teaching you a major lesson about strength, and therefore requiring that you gain strength in order to pick yourself up after some type of situation that you have shown on the outside that doesn't reflect on the inside, if that makes sense. The person sees the beauty in you even though everyone else doesn't. That's what that is. This is a person who sees the beauty in you and no one else can see what this person sees. But beauty is in the eye of the beholder. This person sees that you are a good person in your heart, but nobody around you can see that. And that's really big. So this is a person who feels like they can tame you. Nobody else can really tame you, but they can tame you because they believe in something about you. They believe that inside of you, you have so much love and you're soft. You're very soft and very sensitive on the inside. Even though you come across like you're not. This person wants you to learn how to accept the gift of love in your life. Love is being disguised, like you're wearing a mask, but they know that you love them. You're wearing a mask on the outside, and people don't know that you're a lovable person. People actually probably don't want to love you because the way you come across to the public. But you actually are a loving person. You have a heart inside, and underneath it all, you do. Wow. So this person just wants you to they want to give you a beautiful gift. And that gift is their love. They want to love you. They want to be in love with you. They want you to start leading your life with love in order to be able to be a better person to other people and not just them. But if you don't show love to anyone else but them, you'll never really win anything. Because in this person's eyes, it's just like the only thing you'll win for yourself is more destruction and more horrible, experiences. When if you learn how to show your love, then you'll have a better experience with like everything. I don't know, this person knows what's best for you. It's best to listen to them. They're very wise, but they're like the only person who can see your heart, right? Wow. Check out the extended. God first.